Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. Look what I found in the bathroom. Yes. Oh, meow my ass. Here we are. You see those three? This one here, if we were to keep it, Christy would call him Rusty. That female under there is all black. That's the perfect witch's familiar there. And oh, look at that one. It's dark gray and got all four paws like mama. Aww. And this one here with the pretty little face. Hi. Oh, was that you? Which one of you makes that beautiful purr? Okay, Rusty is quite vocal. And they are exactly 3 weeks old now. They are 3 weeks old in, well, 6 p.m. tonight. 6 p.m. tonight, they'll be exactly 3 weeks old. Well, Christy was out running to Parkview. It was after 5 and before 6 when Chloe stood up there on the couch next to me, and next thing I know, number one sticking his head out at me. No, about an hour and a half. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Ah, she reaching under the door. Yeah. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh, here she is. There's Mama. Oh, she's going for the. Oh, she's moving this one. She said this one's not staying here. I'm sorry, Chloe. You've been unplugging her side of the bedroom way too much.
Yeah, and I'm old. I can't keep reaching down there and plugging it in.
I mean, we didn't mind the meow, meow, meow 24/7. But when they started unplugging her bed, which is adjustable, her clock, her phone, her this, her that, her extension cord to charge her tablet, that was it. Things had to change. Yeah. Oh, come here, you. There's one. Yeah.
Adorable.
Aren't they the sweetest things?
Would you rather see it go to the pound and maybe get put down?
3 more weeks. And these have to go. We need homes for them. There will be an email address in the comments I put with this video. Aren't they the sweetest things? And I don't especially like cats, but you know, we needed Chloe because the 4-legged mouse elimination service is. Oh, look out, Grandma. One of them's coming to see you.
That's what you think. garbage in the box, so I wonder where you're going to take it to. Hello out there.
You see her?
Come on in.
Just coming out the door.
You're not going to stay in there, are you, sir?
Oh, she wants to explore. Okay, well, I'm gonna stand up.